German cuisine is a wonderful reflection of the country's rich history, culture, and geography. Germany, located in the heart of Europe, has a diverse culinary heritage that dates back centuries, and it's known for its hearty and flavorful dishes that feature meat, potatoes, and seasonal vegetables. In this article, we'll explore the traditional dishes, ingredients, and influences that make up German cuisine. Traditional dishes. Germany has a long tradition of meat-based dishes, and pork is by far the most popular meat. Some of the most well-known pork dishes include schnitzel, which is a thin, breaded, and fried pork cutlet, and Schweinshaxe, which is a roasted pork knuckle. Pork sausages are also a staple in German cuisine. And there are many regional varieties such as Nürnberger Rostbratwurst, which is a small and spicy sausage, and Thüringer Rostbratwurst, which is a thicker and milder sausage. Another popular meat in German cuisine is beef, and dishes such as Rinderrouladen, which are beef rolls stuffed with bacon, onions, and pickles, and Sauerbraten, which is a marinated and slow-cooked beef roast, are classic examples of German beef dishes. Game meats such as venison and wild boar are also featured in German cuisine, especially in the fall and winter months. Potatoes are a staple in German cuisine and are used in many dishes, such as Kartoffelpuffer, which are grated potato pancakes, and Kartoffelsalat, which is a potato salad made with vinegar and oil dressing. Other popular side dishes include Spätzle, which are soft egg noodles, and Rotkohl, which is a red cabbage dish that is often served with pork. Bread is another essential component of German cuisine, and there are many types of bread available, including dark rye bread, white bread, and sweet rolls. Pretzels, which are soft and chewy bread twists, are also a popular snack food in Germany. Influences on German cuisine. German cuisine has been influenced by many different cultures throughout history, and as a result, it has a diverse and interesting flavor profile. One of the biggest influences on German cuisine is French cuisine, which was introduced to Germany by the French during the 17th and 18th centuries. French techniques such as roasting, baking, and sautéing were adopted by German chefs, and French ingredients such as wine, butter, and cream became popular in German cooking. Italian cuisine has also had a significant influence on German cuisine, especially in the southern regions of Germany. Italian ingredients such as tomatoes, garlic, and olive oil are often used in German dishes such as pizza and pasta. The German dish Flammkuchen, which is a thin crust pizza-like dish topped with sour cream, onions, and bacon, is believed to have originated in the Alsace region of France, which borders Germany and has a strong Italian influence. Eastern European cuisine has also influenced German cuisine, especially in the eastern regions of Germany. Dishes such as pierogi, which are stuffed dumplings, and borscht, which is a beet soup, are popular in Germany, especially in the regions that were once part of the Soviet Union. Ingredients in German cuisine. German cuisine is known